Reaction to Ontario's new regulations that will force Thunder Bay's only safe consumption site to close next year. Good evening and thank you for joining us. The Path 525 safe consumption site on Simpson Street will be shut down as of March 31st. And we've now confirmed that its Safer Supply program will also be closed. It's Northern Ontario's only safe consumption site and one of several in the province impacted by a new ban on drug consumption sites near schools. The local site is run by Norwest Health Centres. Lee Noonan spoke with officials there today. She joins us now in studio. And Lee, how are they reacting?
Well, Riley, Norwest CEO Juanita Lawson is taking a very measured approach. She's worried about the people they serve at Path 525, but she's also looking ahead to applying to some of the new detox program funding that was just announced. We also spoke with one outreach worker, and she firmly believes the loss of the program will also lead to a loss of lives.
It's really sad because instead of seeing needles on the way to schools, we're going to start seeing dead bodies.
Tasha Peltier is a harm reduction outreach worker in primary care and a person with lived experience of addiction. She says the safe consumption and treatment services through Path 525 saved the lives of many of her clients and her friends.
We're going to really see our community struggling a lot more than what we have seen. And we're going to see a lot more death. And we're going to see a lot more people using out in the open.
Since Norwest Health Centres launched the Path 525 Consumption and Treatment Services program, they've reversed 424 overdoses. They've also added a federally funded Safer Supply program. Both will be closed after March 31st. CEO Juanita Lawson is worried about keeping her clients safe past that date.
Closing CTS services will not change the fact that people are still struggling with trauma, with mental health, with substance use. So it is very concerning for us about what this will mean for individuals and the death toll that we will see as a result.
Lawson says it was a shock to learn the site would be closed. She got the news at the same time as everybody else. The CTS site can't simply move. The program is tied to its location, and Lawson says there are significant barriers to opening a new site. The announcement did include funding for a new model, homelessness and addiction recovery treatment, or HART hubs. Norwest will be looking into that funding.
It's shifting gears significantly, very quickly.
If they're successful in bringing the HART program here, Lawson says it would bring much needed services to the community, but it cannot include safe supply or safer consumption. We also reached out to Thunder Bay Mayor Ken Boshkoff to get his reaction to the closure of Path 525.
There's two parts to that. One, we know that our site was actually having quite good, reasonable success. The second is the province is in charge of health, and whoever has been telling them that this isn't going to succeed or continue, it's hard to debate with those experts.
The mayor says neither he nor the city were consulted by the province in the lead up to this decision. Lee Noonan, TBT News.